Hey, welcome back to the tutorial. In this lecture, let's understand how you can download the code to Arduino boards using Atmel Studio. Okay, so in the previous lecture, you have already compiled successfully GPIO toggling code, isn't it? And in this lecture, let's flash that code. Okay, so there are two ways you can flash the code to the board, which is based on Atmel. That is either you can use a debugger, that is external debugger. So otherwise there is another method that is downloading without debugger. So in this lecture, let's explore about downloading without debugger. All you need is the Atmel Studio software, which we have already installed, and just a board which is connected to your PC through the programming port. Now we have generated a binary for our code using Atmel Studio, isn't it? That's great. So, but how do we flash that code from Atmel Studio to the board? So you need another software component for that. Okay, that is called Bozak Flash Programming Utility. Okay, so you have to install this utility, and you have to somehow make your Atmel Studio talk to the Flash programming utility, so that that Flash programming utility can download the code over your programming port to the Flash. Now our next job is to install this application on our PC. So let's do that. So if you go to the Arduino Due official website, here you can see that unlike other Arduino boards which use AVR Due for uploading, the Due relies on Bozak. So that means the Due board needs a software or application called Bozak. Okay, so this is hosted in the sourceport.net. Actually, your Arduino IDE itself uses Bozak application internally to download the code. So we are just replicating that. Instead of your Arduino IDE, we are using Atmel Studio, and we have to make Atmel Studio talk to this application. That's it. Okay. So now from here you can download the Bozak software, which is a Flash programming utility for Atmel's SAM family of Flash-based ARM microcontrollers. Okay. So you can go and check all the files which are under this, and here you can see a lot of revisions. Now let's go to the newest release. But I encountered a problem with this release while working with Atmel Studio. So I couldn't somehow make Atmel Studio talk to this this release of Bozak Flash utility. Now I have a working Bozak Flash utility application with me, which is tested with Atmel Studio. Okay, so this is the application. Okay. So this application you have to integrate with the Atmel Studio. So for that you have to write a small script. Okay, the script actually commands the Atmel Studio to use this application to program our board. Okay, now let's create a small Windows bash file. Okay, and give a name for your script. I'll give Due programming. Okay. So now open this file and paste these two lines. So all you need to do is you have to provide the path of this Bozak exe correctly. Okay, so I have stored this application in this path, so I have to copy this path and I have to mention here. All right. Okay, so then you have to save this file as .bat. Okay, just click save as, and you have to save it as .bat. All right, now close this file. So you have created a bat file. Now this bat file will be used by our Atmel Studio 7. Okay, so after that go to your Atmel Studio, and here go to tools and click on external tools. Now we are making a customized tool to download code from Atmel Studio to the Arduino board using our Bozak Flash utility. Okay, so let's make a customized. So let's give a name for our external tool. I'll give Dew Programmer. Okay, you can give any name, and the command. So the command must be this path, okay, where you have stored your bat file. Okay, just copy this and click here and paste your path here. Okay, and select this bat file. Okay, you have to select this bat file. So this is a command. Okay, and now here you have to give couple of arguments. So the argument is this one. So this is the argument you have to give. So all you need to do is just copy this one and paste in the argument section. And the initial directory is just copy this target directory. Okay, and paste here. Okay, and click this use output window and uncheck all other windows. Okay, just check this window and then click apply, then OK. So now we have created an external tool, that is a customized tool which actually instructs the Atmel Studio to use the Bozak Flash programming utility to program the generated binary file. Now let's once again rebuild the code. Okay, this is a LED blinking code we just programmed in our previous lecture. Okay, so now our solution is built successfully. Now let's go to tools and click on this Dew Programmer. This is the tool we have created, isn't it? So when you click that, you can see here in the output window, so it has just programmed your Arduino board. Okay, and you can see here our amber color LED is indeed toggling. Great. So that's how you actually program your Arduino Dew board using Atmel Studio. So all you need is you have to get this exe file, which is available in the download section of this lecture, and then you have to create one external tool using Atmel Studio, which actually uses this application to download the code. Okay.